Hi, I'm Lola. I'm a senior at Thomas Jefferson High School, and we're here making bee boxes at Samuels Elementary School. So down in here, you're going to cover it in glue. 48% of hive populations since 1960 have dropped. And then you're going to put these inside together. We kind of need trees for like the oxygen, we need flowers, we need everything. So without bees pollinating that, we wouldn't have that, and we wouldn't really be able to survive without that either. From my research, I just found that bee boxes were the most sustainable because we're using recycled paper, but also just the easiest way to actually make a big impact in your community and actually see the difference, because that's also really inspiring. You're going to take the piece of paper that we're going to give you, and we're going to roll it really tight around the pencil. And it's not just a bee. They're not scary, they're not supposed to be annoying, you're not supposed to kill them, that they're actually like beneficial, you need them here. And then you're going to take it off the pencil and into the can. It's going pretty well so far. I think they're actually learning a lot from this. I think they're understanding the importance of it too, and they get to have fun. They're going to come in, they're going to put their eggs in here, and they're going to cover the little holes in mud. So if you see them plugged up, that's a good thing. Sustainability Club has really helped me learn how to influence others and how to promote my passion for nature and the environment. They're going to eat the mud to get out, and then they get to live their happy little lives as a bee.
Es importante porque sin las abejas no tendríamos muchas cosas que a la gente le gusta, o por ejemplo la gente que le gusta ser vegetariana no podría comer frutas. Entonces me parece que las abejas hacen un gran importante paso en nuestro ecosistema.
So we want to make sure that we can do everything we can to make their living situation easier, so that those populations can start going up and we can continue to have amazing fruits that we love so much. Applying for the Seal of Climate Literacy is definitely going to help benefit me, because it shows people that I do have a passion for this and I'm serious about it too.